You ready? Come on, man. You know I ain't going out there till you come. Huh? I mean, I'll be out once we get in the car. It's open. Oh, god damn.
You would get this for your
Huh?
You would get this for your rental car.
You don't like it?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Why don't you drive it? Huh?
You want to drive back? What are you taking me for?
Huh?
Why are you taking me?
Let's try the rental.
Okay.
You drive. Oh gosh. Here. It's a nice rental, right?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see yourself driving it?
That's nice.
Huh?
I said it's nice.
Mm.
What kind of rental place is this?
This is your car.
Yeah, right.
This is your car.
Are you serious? My eyes messed up. Are you serious?
Yeah, it's your car.
Yeah, right. Get the hell out of here.
This is your car.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
This is your car.
Okay. Am I being punked? Are you serious, Kevin?
This is your car.
Look, don't let me get excited and you be playing with me.
This is your car.
Really?
Yeah. This is your car.
I need to see some documentation. I'm believing you right now.
You don't believe me?
No.
Okay, hold on a sec. Oh.